Hey guys, Bitcoin's under 60,000 and everyone all over X and in my newsfeed is freaking out. And I'm here to tell you all that it's going to be okay. Buying on the dip is uncomfortable. And sure, you should be cautious when you're on a downtrend, but that does not stop what projects are doing in development. If a project is solid and a narrative is solid, the price should not matter what you do with it. If you believe in the project, that's all that matters. In this video, we're going to go over real world assets and why the current price is just an amazing opportunity in my eyes. What is BlackRock doing at this time and what have they been doing? And we're going to review about 5 of my favorite picks, guys. But first, I want to welcome you all back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense. If you're crying because your portfolio is down and you need someone to rest assured that it's okay, then pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and welcome to the Freeman of Finance family. We can cry together. So guys, like I said, the market is down. Bitcoin is at 60,000. It was at 59.5 a little bit ago. But I'm here to tell you all that it is going to be perfectly okay, and I'm here to tell you why. BlackRock wants to tokenize at least $10 trillion worth of assets. Okay, let's look at the current market cap of crypto, 2.2 trillion. So they want to do 5 times that just in real world assets. Okay, Freeman, well, that's good. Why does that matter? Well, it matters because I want to tell you that we were all hyped up about the Bitcoin ETF. And when was BlackRock buying the Bitcoin ETF? During the highs. When it was breaking the previous all-time high, BlackRock was buying. They're not like us. They're not like, oh my gosh, it went down $10,000. I'm going to sell, crying, calling your mom and stuff. It's okay. BlackRock's buying at the highs, and I promise you they are still developing on their real world assets. And that's exactly what I want to get into, and some tokens that they're partnered with either directly or working very closely with. But you could see, guys, this is a sea of red, down anywhere from 15%, down 27% as Polymesh. Guys, this is a sea of red across the entire market. TrueFi, which I love, is down 24%. What is this? TokenFi is down 30% on the week. I mean, guys, this is a bloodbath, but we got to be sharks, and sharks like blood, guys. And that's exactly why I want to get into Propy. Propy has been one of my favorite buys, maybe of all time, since it was under $1. When I found this project, tokenization of real estate, it just all made sense. That is what blockchain was meant to be. And guys, some of y'all were excited to be buying back here when it was $4 almost. Some of y'all were excited to be buying those high wicks, hoping it would go to $6. Well, it's okay. These dips are here to happen. And look what we seen on the 17th. 2 weeks ago, we went down to $2.30. Right now, today, we bounced off of what? $2.30, guys. So that is a key level right there. If we look at this trend, that is a strong support, 230. That is somewhere that I have put buy orders in at. But there's also lower levels of support that I'm looking into if it breaks past that. But the point of the matter is, say it breaks past that and goes back to $1. That does not stop what's going on with the project. Propy Keys onboards 150,000 addresses on chain, guys. This is 4 days ago. A pioneer and ecosystem project within the Propy ecosystem has facilitated the minting of over 150,000 real estate addresses and landmarks. This is real NFTs, guys. And one reason, side note, why I do think Chainlink is going to do great this market, even though it's not the sexiest pick, is because everything integrates it. As you can see here, in the run up to 150K, Propy also integrated Chainlink automation. So oracles are definitely important with this, but I want to stick with the actual projects that I'm talking about. But Propy is not stopping development because they seen their token go from $4 to $2.50, guys. This is the right time to buy. Buy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. I know I butchered that Warren Buffett quote, but you already know the saying, guys. And when we go on X, look at all this invaluable data for people. Right here, Miami-Dade County ranks among the top 20 competitive real estate markets with 14 renters vying for each apartment. They can know this with on-chain data. And I mean, dude, this is just an amazing project. So Propy, $2.30 is a key resistant level right now, or a key support level, excuse me, a previous resistance, but now it's support. So $2.30 is a good support level for that. But guys, these are discounts. Don't cry. It's going to be okay. Another one, guys, Ondo. Ondo's a project that launched in the beginning of this year. It's probably the biggest single RWA project. It's backed by Coinbase Ventures. This is a project that I do not hold any of yet, but I am looking at making an allocation into it, and I'll tell you why. Ondo Finance to move $95 million to BlackRock's tokenized fund for instant settlements for T-bill token. So what Ondo does, they are tokenizing everything. Treasury bills, they even have their own stable coin that is actually backed by T-bills and stuff like that. But they're in RWA and they're working directly with BlackRock on this. So this is definitely going to be one that does amazing. And I'm going to kick myself in the butt for trying to save 3 cents when it doubles or triples in price overnight. Not saying that'll happen, but you know what I mean. But guys, if we look at this back, it was hitting over $1 just a month ago, not even a month ago. And now it's 25% cheaper than that. I don't know what I'm waiting on. But we can see right here, there's this support right around this 73, 74 cents. You see it was right here, then it was right here, and then it was there. So right around the 70-cent mark is something to look at. If that breaks, we're probably coming down to the 50-cent support. But either way, if it breaks, it does not matter. It's not like Ondo saying, hey, if we go to 50 cents, we're removing all of our money out of BlackRock's fund. Trust me, BlackRock was buying their Bitcoin at the freaking high, guys. They were buying it up here. They were not in it for the short game. They are building long term. Over $10 trillion of assets will be tokenized by BlackRock, and it will happen with Propy and with Ondo, in my personal opinion. Another one that I really like is Relio Network, guys. So Relio is one that I also do not have a position in right now, but I am looking at actively getting into it. This is actually one that the Freeman Finance family put on me about a month ago, and I have been studying it. It's kind of hard to really look at the trend here as far as where the good support would be and everything, but I'm really not a TA guy anyways, guys. But yeah, I mean, definitely you would have support right here around the dollar. But like I said, whatever Relio's doing, it does not stop because the market goes down. There was lots of people happy to buy it at $3, $2.83. This is half the price now. This is literally half the price now for Rio and all of these projects, guys. This is reason to be extremely, extremely bullish. So now pivoting away from RWA a little bit and more DeFi, but they go hand in hand. Can't have one without the other, guys. Goldfinch, GFI. I know a lot of you love it. I absolutely love it. This is a Coinbase Ventures backed project. I absolutely love it. I was even wanting to buy it at $4, guys. This is a steal. It hit wicks up to $6. You can't see it in this trading view, but they hit wicks of $6. This point right here, $5.32. It's now less than $3. You know, obviously they have support around this $1.50. I don't think it'll make it there. I think this is a good price for GFI, in my personal opinion, guys. This is never financial advice. I'm just a guy that's a DGen, does YouTube, and loves finance and studying. But GFI, backed by Coinbase Ventures. If you're not going to be backed by BlackRock, you might as well be backed by a Coinbase Ventures, guys. Another one that I've been invested in is Maple. I really, really like Maple. The total supply is 10 million. Circulating supply is a little under half of that. There's not a lot of inflation. And when we look at this, it had a high here, and then it made a higher low, and then it made a higher high, and then we're coming down here. So we will see what it does, guys. I don't know. This is a low market cap, 50 million. I don't know if this is being manipulated, but also it's not illegal to make money off of someone else's manipulation, I guess. But, you know, I really think this price right over here, $12 to $10 is a great price. I think it'll be right back to 25, 30 in a little while. But the whole point of this video, guys, is do not be scared what the market is doing. It is a sea of red. This is a neutral fear and greed index. That is not even bearish, okay? We're so used to having a bull momentum. We broke the previous all-time high of Bitcoin before the halving. That is not what we're used to. We have gotten greedy as a market, and we needed a cool down. A good cool down here will be healthier for the bull run and give us a bigger pump. Whenever we look at BTC, guys, and I've got some guys that I really respect that do technical analysis and stuff, and I'm definitely not one of them. But you can see here, if you look up bull flag, this is definitely looking like a bull flag to me. And a bull flag typically breaks the length of the pole. So let's just say roughly 43,000 to 70,000. That's 23. So put us up here. You're looking at like $88,000, $90,000 on the next big swing if that works out, And so even if it comes down a little more, it's not the end of the world, guys. But let me know down in the comments, what do you see here? Do y'all see triple tops? Do you see head and shoulders? Do you not care? Are you a degen? Do you not care? And what do you think about these 5 real world asset plays? And which one's your favorite? Propy, Ondo, Relio, Goldfinch, or Maple, guys. Watch one of these 2 videos up above and hit subscribe if you haven't, and join the Free Men in Finance family. Thank you.